Melanin Mafia. It's your favorite melanin queen back on the mukbang scene. You guys, she's on a seafood boil. Yeah, so I have some, my bowl is leaking, I think. Oh, this is my butter. Some butter, garlic, obey, and apple cider vinegar. Y'all know I love that combination. And yeah, I got the crab legs from Kroger. I was in there picking up some random stuff, and they were $8.99 a pound. So I was like, give them to me. And I don't know if y'all know, but Kroger will season them and steam them and stuff for you or whatever. So, and you know, she got her Jamaican me happy. You know. But yeah, so thirsty. Yeah, so I'm about to go in, y'all. My hair is a mess. It's in a messy bun. Oh, excuse me. But yes, I'm about to go in. I have crab legs. I got some potatoes in here, some sausages in here, and some eggs. So yeah. All right. So she's ready to dig in. Half my face is cut off. Jesus. I am so hungry, y'all. I am super hungry. Like, I literally have only eaten a pear today. And that was at 9. And it's almost 1. Oh, I feel like I'm moving fast. I gotta get this hunger off me. Yummy, yummy. I forgot about the piece of being in the middle. Oh! I think I did that last time. Kielbasa is so good. I only have 4 clusters, but I could bust down. I don't even know what 4 is, like nothing to me. I'm trying to eat a little faster so I can kind of get through all of them on camera. Because sometimes I'll just stop the video because I don't want it to be too long, but it still end up being like a 20-minute video. I'm like, Lord, I just eat slow. And then I like to get every piece of meat because, I mean, it's bacon and I want all of it. I told them to put backyard barbecue, Obey, California garlic medley, and butter. Those are the seasonings that I get them to put on it. And it's hitting. My plan is still to get to 4 videos a week. So I still am stockpiling videos, recording them so I'll have them. 4 a week is just like, especially when you like, I don't plan to mukbang them all, and then I'm not like a daily vlogger, because I'd be like hard chilling. So it's just like, what am I gonna be vlogging? I'm just like, I said I want to do 4 a week, but then it's like, what do you want to do? But I don't know, I've been slacking. Got it. Technically, it's not slacking because I'm recording them, I'm just not posting them. But yeah. I love them things. Oh yeah, big Sunny. Hey, Sunny. I got some of mine. Yeah, I want to do this challenge. It's going around the quadruple burger challenge. First of all, I know I can do it. But I want Five Guys burger, and I know I'm gonna be just a full fat mess afterwards, because I already get that double burger, and the double burger be having me stuffed. Like, I hate when I have practice on a day that I might have had that burger. I'd be so sluggish. I can definitely feel a difference. So I can only imagine with 4 patties. But I've been seeing some people doing, the burgers are so good. Not them Burger King ones, so I don't fool with Burger King. So no. Heck no. I haven't had Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's, none of those. And like, jeez, how many years? 7 or 8, something like that. That means a little too fake for me. I can't. Can't go at it, no ma'am. Y'all have a look at I ain't even gonna say her name, but it's a mukbanger. And when she did a seafood boil, she had boiled eggs, and yo, she put the whole egg in her mouth. Ate the whole egg at one time. So I felt a shell. I said, no, how you eat a whole egg at one time, yo? A whole boiled egg. Stuffed it in and kept it pushing. So, you got it. Sorry about that, y'all. Somebody, some 800 number called. Oh, excuse me. Huh. I be wanting to be cute when I do these little mukbangs with the seafood and stuff, but I'm like, oh, stuff gonna be splashing all over the place. Excuse me. Whew. Whew. Stuff gonna be splashing all over the place, and I ain't trying to be splashing on like cute clothes, splashing on a little t-shirt. My dude at Kroger, I was like, yeah, let me get some crab legs, and I want you guys to cook them. He got them. They already cooked. I said, nigga, you know what I'm talking about? Steam them, fool. He's like, yeah, I know. Yeah, Mike's trying to give me a hard time. He's like, I'm new. Okay. Then he couldn't find the butter. The cooking man. Talk about all the day shift be had and stuff, so only they can have it. So I don't know where it said. I gotta find it. Okay. It's a grocery store. Go to the butter aisle and get get a pack of butter and put it in my thing. He's like, I can't do that. I was like, well, I mean, we're in the grocery store. Like, figure it out. There ain't no butter. Nigga, it's over there on aisle 6. What you mean? See all my potatoes and sausage and stuff at the bottom. And these ones look way better. I bought some a couple weeks ago. Just on a whim because I was in there and they was $8.99 a pound still. So I bought them and froze them. But they weren't as cute as these ones. These ones are way cuter. Like bigger and without all that black looking stuff on it. Y'all think I have post-nasal drip or something? It seems like whenever I start eating, my nose start running. Not even only when I'm eating. Well, no, I notice it every time I'm eating. But my light's getting dim. And when I'm about to go out. But my nose doesn't run like super, super crazy, but it just get wet in there from time to time. Oh. The juice squirted everywhere when I say it get wet. Oh, no. Like right now, it's a little runny, and I do that every time I'm eating. I know it's like almost on every video. I be snorting. Ooh, I wanted to dip that piece. It's getting darker. It's like about to go. Excuse me. Heck on it. That's a little piece of meat, but I hate when this meat be playing with me like I can't get it. Oh, I can get you. Play with me. I have kickball practice later. Hope it ain't too hot out there. It don't look too bad though. Yeah, but I'm gonna get you. All right. Excuse me. Getting full a little bit. Hold on here. I got a bunch of seasoning all over that. Have some butter. Come on. Slurping and burping. Good Lord. I don't know. Got doodle on it. I don't want it. If you don't ever sit your meat, some of the meat, and the butter, let it marinate, you're missing out. Shave it to the end. A piece of shell. Oh, my light is gone. What if I turn the wishing jig one on? It's gonna look yellow. Maybe I should turn it on. It's a little yellow. Sorry though. Jeez, my boobs are huge. Ugh. Excuse me. Oh, that one was cute. It be tripping me out when I see people doing mukbangs and they dip it in the butter and stuff. And they be rolling all down and chinging and all that. Like, how are you not able to get all of it in your mouth? Like, I don't know. I don't eat like that. I can fit it in my mouth. I don't know. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. That was a little blurry. Last couple of legs, y'all. Juicy, Lord. Purr. That chimney is pretty good. I ain't have many that broke off into the shell. As soon as I said that, I get when I did it, but it's at the end, so it's all right. Oh, excuse me. Some people be cheap when they eat these crab legs too. Don't be getting all the meat out of every little part of the leg. I get some meat out of every part. Whew. What the problem is, last leg. Excuse me. how hard is that to not get it all over your chin? Get it in your mouth. Mm-hmm. What is this on my face? Oh no. I'm getting full now. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and share it if you want to. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below some video ideas that y'all want to see from me. And I'll catch y'all next time. Mwah.